Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the simplest but most important tech tasks, updating Google Chrome to the latest version. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your browser up to date, which means you'll not only get the latest features and improvements, but you'll also keep your device as secure as possible against online threats. Let's dive right in. This process is quick, easy, and absolutely worth your time. First, go ahead and open up Google Chrome. If you're already seeing the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar, just click it. If not, you can search for it in your Start menu or find it among your applications. It's important to start from your actual Chrome browser, since all the steps will happen directly inside it. Once Chrome is open, look towards the top right corner of your window. You'll see three little dots stacked vertically. That's the Settings menu. Click on those three dots to open up a drop-down menu with lots of options. If you're on a smaller screen or a Chromebook, those dots might seem tiny, but don't worry. They're always in the top right. Think of them as the key to all the tools and settings that keep Chrome working for you. Now, from the menu that appears, find and select Settings. Sometimes the menu can look a little overwhelming with options like New Tab, History, or Downloads, but you're looking for Settings. Clicking this will bring you to a new tab full of customization and controls. You don't need to worry about changing anything else here. Just give yourself a second to let it load. Next, scroll down until you see a section called About Chrome. On some versions, you may see About or About Google Chrome near the very bottom of the left-hand side menu. It's easy to miss if you're not looking closely, so take a second and double-check. This spot is super important. It's basically where Chrome does a self-check and tells you about its version, whether you're up to date, and if there are any updates available. Click on About Chrome. As soon as you do, Chrome will automatically start checking for updates. If there's a newer version available, the browser will start downloading and installing it right away. You might see a little progress bar, or the browser may simply say, Updating Chrome. Don't worry, this part might take a few moments depending on your internet speed and how big the update is. Just sit tight. This process is all automatic. Chrome is taking care of everything for you behind the scenes. Once the update is finished, you may be prompted to relaunch your browser. If so, simply click Relaunch and you're good to go. Your Chrome will now be refreshed, secure, and running the latest version with any new features or fixes that Google has rolled out. And that's really it. You've updated Chrome with just a few clicks. Regularly checking for updates, maybe once a month or whenever you're reminded, is a great habit for anyone who uses the web daily. It keeps your browser running smoothly and helps protect you from security threats that can pop up unexpectedly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions or run into any issues updating your Chrome, drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you, and I do my best to answer everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips and everyday tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.